our Honorable Prime Minister given a call for every individual should plant a sapling, a part of a full tree in the name of the mother of everybody. So one tree in the name of mother. So here we started that, and 200 saplings we distributed to the public. And here also today particularly uh, four are planted here. One is in the name of the mother, and other in the name of our Bharat Mata, our nation's mother, and another in my father is no more, so father's name. Like that, we are doing. All our secretary also participated in that, and I'm very happy that our Rajbhavan itself is for more than 90 acre forest areas and garden areas, and we are uh, improving that more and more. And I am thankful to press people also. You are promoting our endeavor, and let us together try for achieving the goal.